in Ukraine, you won't find today so old wines. So it's impossible to find like 100 years old vineyards or 80 years old vineyards. So the oldest one, me personally, I know, so it's like 1974. But usually, especially the winemakers who only started to work with the wines recently, who only started to speak about quality, so usually they started to grow new vineyards quite recently. So the
Mhm.
majority of good
How do you
quality
date that
winemakers today,
1974?
they work. Sorry, can you
How
repeat,
do you
please?
date, like, you mentioned that there's 1974 vine. How do you date that? How do you know that the vine is from 1974? Is there an information that's really available about that?
Yes, yes, they of course they have information. So the vineyard I'm speaking about, this vineyard is owned by Shabo company, Shabo Winery,
Mhm.
and Shabo Winery. Uh, I would say it's one of the best winery today, and the history is like that. That the family, so they bought a farm in 2003 and started to rebuild everything. So some of the vineyards they replanted, but some they see the potential, and that vineyard was the potential itself. So they just leave. And the vineyard I'm speaking about, so it's 19. I'm not sure, or 74 or 76, and it's our local grape variety. The name of that grape is Tilti Kuruk. I know it's really hard to pronounce, but anyway, so it's our local grape, and it's ungrafted wines.
And
So
Shabo is
yes,
actually
they have
making
they
this
use the
local grape
information as.
varietal.
Yes, yes. So that they're working, and I should say that Shabo Winery is the biggest promoter of that local grape Tiltikuruk, and they make a lot of efforts so that people starting to speak about it.